Welcome to this tutorial on fixing video unavailability by clearing your browsing data. In this guide you will learn how to refresh your browser settings to help resolve issues that may be causing problems when you try to play videos. We will walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part and its purpose. Begin by opening your web browser. This is the first step and the foundation of the solution. Whether you use a popular browser such as Chrome, Firefox or Edge, start by launching it so that you are ready to adjust the necessary settings. Once your browser window appears, take a moment to locate the menu options provided along the top or in a corner of the interface. Next, move your attention to the menu icon, often represented by three small dots arranged vertically. This icon typically sits in the upper right hand corner of your browser window and serves as the gateway to many browser functionalities. Click on this three-dot icon. Doing so will display a drop-down menu containing several options that control various elements of your browsing experience. After exposing the menu options, look for the section labeled Settings and click on it. The settings area is designed to let you modify how your browser operates and interacts with the web. In this case, you are preparing to clear data that might be interfering with video playback on your streaming platform. Within Settings, search for an option dedicated to privacy and security and click on that section. The privacy and security settings are where you manage all care matters related to your data and how websites interact with your computer. In this section, you will find controls that let you decide what data and information your browser stores while you browse. Once inside the privacy and security section, locate the option that reads Delete Browsing Data. This function is used to remove temporary files, cookies, and other pieces of information that may have accumulated over time. Click on Delete Browsing Data to open a new screen that presents various types of data categories available for deletion. Now, within the list of data types, select Cookies and Other Site Data. Cookies are small pieces of data that websites store on your computer to enhance user experience, but sometimes they can become outdated or problematic, which may potentially interfere with the proper playback of videos. Clearing these cookies can resolve conflicts and restore the smooth functionality of your streaming platform. To complete the process, click on Delete Data. When you confirm this action, your browser will remove the selected cookies and any other site data that were identified. Clearing these files often resolves the issue of video unavailability and ensures that your browser behaves in a more efficient manner when accessing online video content. After following these steps, your browser will have been refreshed and any stored data that could have been causing interference will be cleared. Keep in mind that after removing this data, you may be prompted to log in again to websites or reset certain preferences. This is a normal part of the process and indicates that your browser's cache has been successfully cleared. This concludes the guide. By clearing out cookies and site data, you have taken an important step toward ensuring a smooth video streaming experience. Enjoy your refreshed browser and improved video playback.